This is the TAPO RV10 LITE, and I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to show you how it works, the features, and we're going to try it out on this high pill carpet so you can see exactly how it works in the real world. Now, I've used it for about a month here, and I can tell you a few things about it. It comes with 2000 Pascal suction, which puts it in line with a majority of the other robo vacuums on the market. 2000 Pascal suction is good. It will also come with a large dustbin, so you don't have to empty it as often. Remember, a lot of these standard robo vacuums come with about a ½ liter dust cup. This, because it comes with a 800 milliliter large dustbin, you can allow it to vacuum an area that's larger, or you can just have it vacuum the same area a few times and then empty the dustbin after the tank is full. So this is coming with the advanced pathing. So this has a high efficiency pathing, allowing it to just do a better job on specific areas. And this is what you get inside. You have your cover, you have the unit, and our unit is used because I've been using it, but it looks like this. So the TAPO looks really nice in terms of its overall design. It has this soft touch around the logo. You have on the back here, you're going to be getting this type of brush roll, which is similar to what you would see on a Shark Duo Clean, where you have these silicone or rubber brushes that are going to be deep digging inside of your carpet or hardwood, whichever surface you're using this on. Primarily for carpet, this is going to be more beneficial. It's going to be able to dig inside, while the brushes are going to be acting like a traditional brush roll that you find in a vacuum, picking up everything and feeding it into its mouth right directly into the 800 milliliter dust cup. That's easy to remove. It also comes with a cleaning tool here, as well as a filter that you can pop out and have easy access to right here. Along with this charging cradle. The charging cradle is coming with an area that you can wrap up the cords, as you see here. You can wrap up your cords, and you can change the orientation from left to right depending on where your plug is. But to be totally honest, this is just a very clean-cut design, and when you allow it to vacuum your floors, it does something kind of cool. I know that everyone knows that a lot of these robo vacuums are working in rows, but here it not only works in rows, but it's going to be making somewhat of like a semicircle pattern, which is part of its pathing. Now that pathing allows it to really go in deep and pick up more particles inside of your carpet. I was very impressed because after vacuuming, and I'll just show you, this is after vacuuming my floors with a traditional upright, it was still able to pick up more material, and you can control the amount of suction that you want to utilize when this is working. It will have the standard features like recharge and resume. If you wanted to vacuum a whole area, it can start and then go back. And this is coming with auto boost for carpeted areas. And I think that's really awesome because the TAPO is great, in my opinion, for carpet or rugs, because as it senses dirt or other materials on your floor, it's going to increase its suction power, which is giving it more adjustability and more flexibility while conserving battery life. And if you're wondering how long is the battery life here, so the battery here can last to 150 minutes. And when you're using it inside of the app, it's going to be recording its pathing inside, but it will not save the map. It will not save the map. So you can't designate areas as no-go zones. You won't be able to designate areas as different rooms, but that doesn't mean that it is not going to do a great job. So while we watch footage of my TAPO in action, this is how it works. You're going to be setting it inside of the app, and you just add your device if you want to install it, and you can just go to Robot Vacuums and click on the TAPO RV10 LITE. That's it. It's going to search for it. It's going to let you know that how to put it in pairing mode, and once it finds it, it's going to be automatic. It's going to automatically connect, and you just have to name, label the room it's in, and you're pretty much set and first ready to use it. As you can see, its pathing and how it works on our floors is on this diagonal rows, but the diagonal rows also has a kind of like a semicircle as it turns around. And I found that that semicircle is created by how the wheels work. And if you look at the carpet after the TAPO finishes a session, it looks like crop circles. It is absolutely crazy what the floor looks like, but it does a great job, and it made 2 passes because we had it on 2-pass clean, and it picked up everything more than even my traditional vacuum. So once you finish the setup, it's going to be taking you to this page. You have an indicator here that's going to let you know how much battery life you have. You also have your cleaning preferences all mapped out for you. You could do your cleaning time 1, 2, 3. So if you have cleaning times 1, 2, or 3, if you have it on 3, it's going to make 3 passes, 2 passes, 1 pass. You have the vacuum power. You have it on off, quiet, standard, turbo, and max. Max is going to have the least amount of battery life. So you want to do this based on your own needs. We're going to put it on standard. So on the charging, that's how you take it home. This is how you see the power. You can do it, you can set a schedule. So if you want to add a schedule, that's pretty easy. You set a schedule 10 a.m. every single day. Or you can you can have a report. So this is a cleaning report after every job. You can have a remote control. So you can control this utilizing your TAPO app and making sure it goes left and right. And you could do spot cleaning if you so wanted to, and clean while moving as well. And finally, you have settings. Inside your settings, you have the ability to change your spot cleaning settings. You have your ability to go to general settings for area unit. You can do meters. In this case, we're doing square feet. A child lock on, you have a do not disturb. Carpet cleaning mode. In carpet cleaning code standard, your robot vacuum will use the current vacuum power to clean. Or you can use it on boost, which is going to be maximizing the vacuum power for a deeper clean. When it returns to the hard floor, the previous vacuum setting will be restored. So we're going to put that on boost. You have maintenance. Maintenance is just going to allow you to see how much life you have on your main brush, your side brush, and your HEPA filters. And you have your firmware updates. So that's everything. I was surprised that the TAPO was able to clean the room that I'm in at the same amount of time it takes my iRobot J7, my S9, and other robo vacuums that we tried in our space. And because it comes with 2000 Pascal with this kind of more aggressive brush roll, and it has like this kind of max clean auto boost for carpet, it does just about the same job in terms of quality. So I have no complaints about the TAPO. I think it's a really solid option, and it's something that you might want to consider for your home. So in conclusion, this is the map that it creates. As it's done, it's a great solid option as an entry model level robo vacuum. It is powerful, it does a good job, it cleans multiple floor types, it looks clean, and it is easy to clean. So the drawbacks are really focused on what the competitors do more than what the TAPO does not do. It doesn't have the smart mapping. It doesn't come with a front-facing camera. It doesn't come with some of these advanced features you're finding on more advanced robo vacuums. But they're generally more expensive. So then you got to decide which is the one best for you, your home, and your budget. If you have a simple home configuration like mine, the TAPO should be a great option that can clean your home easily. So with that, thanks for watching, everybody. This is the TAPO RV10 LITE. It is an affordable option that I recommend, and I'll catch you next time. This is David with the French Glow, signing off. Bye, bye, bye.